Hi everyone, welcome back to Captain Aviation. If you're new, please remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. And if you're not new, just do that as well if you haven't done so before. So we're here at Stansted, landing on runway 22, wind is coming from 180. So basically from the terminal and diagonally away from us. Then the wind is 19 knots at gusting 29. So it's bit crosswind and crossing with the nose towards the terminal, and let's see how it is. Let's show you the outside, and that's it for now. Let me see what I can do. Thanks guys, and please enjoy.
1000. 500. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
That's it guys, let's do the replay now. And yeah, that was kind of a difficult crosswind to do, especially when I got distracted by the screenshot I had to do for the thumbnail. Anyway, let's see. That looks kind of crosswindy, and it does look. Let's see what we got up to in the replay from this. Let's go from here. I like this frontal view, it's nice. Just shows how I didn't even manage a tiny bit to get on center line on the final. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. That is, I can't do a tower view because look what happens when I do a tower view. I can't see the plane anymore. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you for watching.